NASA is looking ahead to their next moon mission, landing a crew on the lunar surface. But the next giant leap faces several problems before it can even get off the ground. Senior national correspondent Jonathan Seri has more. Hi, Jonathan.
Hi, Bill. The goal is to land astronauts on the lunar South Pole in 2028, but a NASA Inspector General report warns the next generation spacesuits for that mission will not be ready until 2031 if testing follows historical timeframes. Spacesuit manufacturer Axiom and NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman welcome the report and say they're up to the challenge of improving the process to ensure the suits are ready on time. Now, as we speak, Isaacman is testifying before a House committee reviewing President Trump's proposed NASA budget for fiscal year 2027. The budget remains bold on human spaceflight, but proposes cuts to other NASA programs, including a 47% reduction in science funding.
I think there are some legitimate concerns about the science mission as well. We know how important it is for technological advancement and also for weather patterns from states like Florida dealing with hurricanes. And so much like we did last year when we kind of closed that gap between the president's initial budget and the final budget, I think we're going to do much the same here.
The core rocket stage for next year's Artemis III mission has left NASA's Michoud Assembly Facility in New Orleans and is on a barge heading to Kennedy Space Center in Florida. On that mission, astronauts will practice docking the Orion spacecraft with lunar landers made by both SpaceX and Blue Origin. Well, on Sunday, New Glenn, the type of rocket that will carry the Blue Origin lander, failed to deliver a commercial satellite to a viable orbit. But Bill, NASA officials say they are optimistic the company will work out the bugs with this new rocket in time for next year's Artemis III mission. Back to you.
Love to hear that, because Artemis II was awesome. So we'll hope it plays out. Thanks, Jonathan. Good to see you.